Bogus Zimbabwe National Army officer charged with 19 rape cases. A Harare man who impersonated being Zimbabwe National Army (ZNA) officer appeared in court Wednesday facing 19 rape charges. He committed the offenses, which also include robbery, after offering the women transport on various occasions across Harare. He is also being charged with money laundering and impersonation. Sam Maropa, 31, appeared before Harare magistrate Dennis Mangasi, who advised him to apply for bail at the High Court. The bogus gunman was not asked to plead and was remanded in custody to September 18, 2021. The police said more complainants were still filing charges against Maropa. According to state papers, the accused bought an Audi A4 vehicle, registration of A0272, using the proceeds of crime. On 27 July this year at around 11 a.m., the first complainant boarded a Toyota Wish silver in color with 3 occupants, including Maropa, intending to get into town. The court heard along Samora Machel Avenue one of the accused's colleagues seated at the back seat grabbed the complainant by the neck while his accomplice, who was seated by her side, pointed a pistol at her. He later grabbed her handbag and stole $600. After that, Maropa and accomplices covered her face with a cloth and dumped her close to Chikurubi Maximum Security Prison, where she was assisted by prison wardens. On July 29, 2021, at around 14:30 hours, the gang also robbed another complainant of $20 cash and valuables worth $170. The following day, another unsuspecting passenger boarded the trio's car intending to get into town. Along the way, close to White House shops in Kuwajana, the suspects produced knives and ordered the complainant not to lift her head. They assaulted her with clenched fists and later parked their vehicle at a bushy area near an Harira farm in Norton. Maropa allegedly raped the complainant once without protection. After the ordeal, he stole her iPhone and Samsung J4 Plus, national identity card, and $13. The trio later dumped her, and she was assisted by Good Samaritans. On the same day, Maropa and accomplices picked another female and wanted to rape her. The court heard the victim told Maropa she was HIV positive, after which he forced his manhood in her mouth and later ejaculated between her thighs. They stole money amounting to $105, Samsung phone, HP laptop, USB, and hard drive. The accused person threw the complainant's handbag through the passenger window and ordered her to disembark while naked. She lost property worth $590 and property worth $200 has been recovered. 5 days later, Maropa and accomplices picked another passenger in Kuwajana and drove to Bulawayo Road, where they suddenly attacked her while in their vehicle. The court heard they searched for valuables and ordered her to undress. It is alleged they then forced her to masturbate, threatening to rape her if she did not comply with their orders. They let her masturbate for close to 20 minutes while watching and later dumped her 20 meters away from a railway in Tynewald. She lost valuables worth $84 and nothing was recovered. On the same day at around 11:45 a.m., 2 sisters fell prey to the trio after boarding the Toyota Wish at Oriole Girls High in Kishapit, intending to get in town. The 2 sisters were forced to undress and masturbate while the suspects went through their belongings. They stole $93, a handbag, wallet, blower, braids, identification particulars, and cell phones before dumping them. On 13 August, 2 women from Butteriro were allegedly raped by Maropa on different occasions. On the same day at around 2 p.m., Maropa allegedly raped another woman in Westwood without protection before stealing her belongings and dumping her. The 17th and 18th counts happened on August 15. Maropa and friends picked the complainant, who they later left naked near Zindoga Shopping Center in Waterfalls after stealing valuables worth $842 from her. Only a COVID-19 vaccination card in her name has been recovered. The second victim on this day was picked up from Highlands. They blindfolded her and raped her from Highlands to Hatfield without protection. They dumped her and drove along North Road. She also managed to identify Maropa at an identification parade. She lost property worth $120 and nothing was recovered. The last incident investigated occurred on August 16 when the complainant was robbed of goods worth $520 and nothing was recovered. On August 16, upon his arrest, he was searched and found in possession of a ZNA military police identity card in the name of Thiliad Nico and a ZNA ID in the name of Pride Anilate Mutambedza. The court also heard impersonated Norman Kaimaka, who is a lawyer. On count 21, during the period from January 2021 to July 2021, the accused in the company of his accomplices committed a spate of armed robbery cases in Greater Harare and used the proceeds to buy an Audi A4. Maropa is represented by Tinashe Umbala.